Hey everyone, I'm Ganesh, a photographer and creative storyteller. In this video, I'll show you how to create professional presentations online using Adobe Express. It's fast, simple, and perfect for beginners. First, go to adobe.com/express. From here, head to the template section and search for PPT or presentation. You'll find dozens of ready-made templates that you can customize in just few clicks. Next, add your slides, text and images. Adobe Express lets you include headings, bullet points, charts and photos easily. You can adjust fonts, sizes and colors to make your presentation look professional. Now, make your slides unique. Add backgrounds, icons, shapes, and design elements to make your presentation stand out. Adobe Express gives you access to a library of graphics and layouts. When your presentation is ready, click download. You can save it as a PDF, PPTX, or images, ready for online sharing, meetings, or email. Here are some ways to use Adobe Express presentations for school and college projects, business proposal and pitches, marketing and social media reports, team meetings and updates. And that's it. Creating professional presentation online is super easy with Adobe Express. Start building your slides in minutes, even if you're a beginner. Try Adobe Express now. The link is in the description. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials.